Okay, so I'm just going to talk a little bit about my topic. And so my topic is spelling for kindergartners. This is just a little introduction about why I chose this topic. So spelling is one of the core state standards for kindergarten grade level, and I would like to teach kindergarten one day. So this topic is very important to me, and many teachers that I have seen in my field experiences and also just from other resources, I have found that many teachers struggle with this topic because it does take a lot of patience, and each kid works at a different pace or different skill level, and so it is a really hard skill to teach. So my plans for this project, I'd like to research effective ways to teach spelling to kindergartners and then create and use tools that are effective when learning and teaching this skill. And I would like to use and create teaching methods that even I find on the internet or I get from other peers, or I can create myself that I find effective. And I would like to look at different strategies for different areas of beginning to spell. So when learning to spell, you kind of start out with learning the letters and their letter sounds, and that's really important because then when children are asked to just spell things how they think it sounds, they can kind of look through the alphabet and sound out different words and talk and say the word that they're trying to spell out loud or in their head, and they can really listen for those sounds. And then they kind of learn how to spell their own names. They learn how to spell sight words or everyday words, so the and could and stuff like that. And then you want them to use and identify these words. You're working towards a higher grade level spelling, so you want them to be able to progress. And you want to stress spelling it how it sounds when the word is unknown, but you want to stress accuracy when it's a vocab word.